Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, transforming industries, creating wealth, and opening doors to opportunities that didn't exist a decade ago. As AI continues to evolve, those who master its key skills will be in high demand and positioned to earn six-figure salaries or more. From AI-driven automation to cybersecurity and financial modeling, businesses are desperately seeking professionals who can help them leverage AI for growth and efficiency. Whether you're looking to break into tech, scale your business, or future-proof your career, learning the right AI skills in 2025 could be your ticket to financial freedom. In this video, we're diving deep into 7 of the most lucrative AI skills, ones that can set you apart, make you indispensable, and most importantly, make you rich. Let's get started. 1. AI prompt engineering. The ability to talk to AI effectively is quickly becoming one of the most lucrative skills in the digital world. AI prompt engineers craft precise, high-quality inputs that allow AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Midjourney to generate the best responses. Some companies are offering salaries of $250,000 or more for professionals who can optimize AI-generated content. AI models are only as good as the prompts they receive, meaning well-structured, clear, and strategic prompts are necessary to achieve high-quality output. Businesses across all industries are now integrating AI into customer service, content creation, product descriptions, legal documentation, and even software development. This is why skilled prompt engineers who understand how to fine-tune and manipulate AI responses are highly valuable. If you can master prompt engineering, you can make a fortune by selling optimized prompts, consulting with companies, or even developing custom AI solutions for businesses looking to improve efficiency and automation. The key to excelling in this field is understanding how different AI models process language and respond to various types of queries. The more precise and optimized your prompts are, the better the output. Companies looking to scale their operations using AI will pay top dollar for experts who can refine their systems, making AI-generated responses indistinguishable from human-created content. Prompt engineering is more than just typing commands. It involves testing, analyzing, and tweaking responses to ensure they are accurate, contextually relevant, and engaging. By learning how to craft prompts that maximize an AI's potential, you can position yourself as an indispensable asset in the AI revolution. Whether you choose to work in-house for a tech company, freelance on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or start your own AI consulting business, this skill can be incredibly lucrative. If you want to get started, focus on understanding AI models like OpenAI's GPT, Google's Gemini, and Claude AI. Take courses on AI optimization, practice different types of prompts, and experiment with various AI applications. The more you refine your approach, the more valuable your skills become. 2. Machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning and deep learning power AI systems in finance, healthcare, autonomous vehicles, and robotics. Companies need experts who can develop, fine-tune, and maintain AI models. ML engineers earn upwards of $150,000 per year. Machine learning is the foundation of artificial intelligence, enabling systems to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, involves the use of neural networks to analyze vast amounts of unstructured data, such as images, speech, and videos. Companies in finance use machine learning for fraud detection and risk assessment, while healthcare organizations rely on deep learning to enhance diagnostics and predictive analytics. Self-driving car technology is heavily dependent on machine learning and deep learning models to recognize objects, navigate roads, and make real-time driving decisions. If you want to break into this field, you need to master programming languages like Python and frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Hands-on experience is key, so work on building your own machine learning projects using publicly available datasets. Participate in Kaggle competitions, contribute to open-source AI projects, and gain experience by applying ML techniques to real-world problems. This field offers multiple career opportunities, including AI research, data science, and applied machine learning engineering. With companies investing billions in AI, mastering machine learning and deep learning can be one of the most profitable decisions you make in 2025. 3. AI-powered automation. Automation is eliminating boring, repetitive tasks, and companies need experts who can build AI-powered systems to improve efficiency. AI automation specialists help businesses save millions of dollars by streamlining operations. Automation is reshaping industries by replacing manual labor with AI-driven processes that are faster, cheaper, and more accurate. Businesses are leveraging AI-powered automation to handle tasks such as scheduling meetings, responding to customer inquiries, managing payroll, and even analyzing data for strategic decision-making. The demand for automation specialists is skyrocketing because companies recognize the immense cost-saving potential of AI-driven workflows. By automating routine tasks, organizations can reallocate human resources to higher value activities that require creativity and critical thinking. AI-powered automation is being integrated into supply chain management, healthcare administration, digital marketing, and financial services. If you want to master this skill, focus on learning tools like Zapier, OpenAI APIs, and robotic process automation platforms such as UiPath and Microsoft Power Automate. Developing expertise in AI automation allows you to work as a consultant, helping businesses implement AI-driven processes or even build and sell automation software solutions. 4. AI-powered content creation. AI is transforming content creation. From AI-generated YouTube videos to blog writing and social media content, creators are using AI tools to scale their work and increase profits. AI-generated content allows creators to produce high-quality work at an unprecedented speed, helping businesses and influencers engage with their audiences more effectively. Content creators are now using AI-powered writing tools like ChatGPT for blogging, Jasper AI for marketing copy, and Runway ML for AI-assisted video editing. These tools enable creators to automate tasks such as scripting, editing, and voiceovers, significantly reducing production time while maintaining high engagement. Brands are also turning to AI-generated advertising content, where AI can create ad copy, banners, and even social media posts that outperform traditional methods. If you want to get into AI-powered content creation, start by mastering tools like ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for image generation, and Runway ML for AI video editing. You can then monetize your skills by offering AI-generated content services to businesses, managing AI-driven marketing campaigns, or even launching your own AI-powered media channel. AI content creation is one of the easiest ways to break into AI and start earning right away. 5th, AI in cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Cybercrime is evolving, and businesses are losing billions to data breaches and cyber attacks every year. With AI being used by both security professionals and hackers, companies need AI-driven cybersecurity experts now more than ever. This is why AI in cybersecurity and ethical hacking is one of the most in-demand and high-paying skills in 2025. AI-powered cybersecurity tools can detect threats in real time, automate responses, and analyze vast amounts of data faster than human analysts. Companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft are investing heavily in AI security solutions to combat evolving cyber threats. Ethical hackers who understand AI-driven attacks and security measures can earn upwards of $130,000 per year, making this a lucrative field for those who develop expertise in AI-based security solutions. So why is AI and cybersecurity so valuable? Traditional security methods are no longer enough to defend against AI-driven cyber attacks. Cyber criminals are using AI to create sophisticated phishing attacks, automate malware deployment, and even break through traditional security barriers. In response, businesses need AI-driven security measures that can adapt and respond to threats faster than human analysts. AI can analyze network traffic, detect suspicious behavior, and flag potential vulnerabilities before an attack occurs. AI-driven intrusion detection systems, automated security audits, and AI-powered risk assessment tools are now essential for companies looking to protect their data. The ability to understand, implement, and optimize these AI security solutions makes cybersecurity experts highly valuable. If you want to get started in AI cybersecurity, focus on learning AI-powered threat detection, penetration testing, and security automation. Get familiar with tools like Darktrace, IBM Watson Security, and Microsoft Defender. Certifications such as Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, CompTIA Security Plus, and AI cybersecurity specializations will set you apart in this field. Companies are willing to invest heavily in professionals who can protect them from financial and reputational losses due to cyber threats. Whether you want to work as a security analyst, ethical hacker, or cybersecurity consultant, mastering AI-driven security will position you for success in 2025 and beyond. 6th, AI in finance and algorithmic trading. Finance is one of the most lucrative industries being transformed by AI, and those who understand how to leverage AI-driven trading and financial analytics can make a fortune. Hedge funds, banks, and private investors are using AI to predict market trends, optimize investment portfolios, and execute high-frequency trades with near-perfect accuracy. AI-powered trading algorithms can analyze millions of data points in real time, identifying patterns that human traders might miss. This allows AI-driven trading systems to make rapid, data-backed decisions that maximize profits and minimize risks. Those who master AI in finance can make serious money, whether by working for financial institutions or using AI-powered trading strategies for personal wealth generation. So, why is AI in finance so valuable? The stock market, cryptocurrency trading, and investment firms are all embracing AI to increase efficiency and profitability. AI-powered trading bots can analyze financial trends, detect anomalies, and execute trades at lightning speed, eliminating emotional decision-making from investing. Large firms like BlackRock and Goldman Sachs rely on AI-driven analytics to manage billions of dollars in assets. Algorithmic trading is a game changer because it eliminates human biases and executes trades based on real-time market fluctuations. AI can also be used in fraud detection, credit risk assessment, and financial forecasting, making it indispensable in banking and investment sectors. If you can master AI-based finance applications, your earning potential is limitless. If you want to break into this field, start by learning Python for financial modeling, AI-powered trading strategies, and data-driven investment techniques. Get hands-on experience with platforms like QuantConnect, Alpaca, and MetaTrader to develop and test algorithmic trading bots. Explore AI-powered fintech solutions, credit risk prediction tools, and AI-driven financial modeling. Whether you want to build your own AI-powered trading bot, work for a hedge fund, or become a financial AI consultant, this skill will open doors to massive financial opportunities in 2025 and beyond. 7. AI for business and consulting. As AI adoption skyrockets, businesses desperately need experts who can help them integrate AI into their operations. AI consultants and business strategists bridge the gap between AI technology and real-world business applications, helping companies improve efficiency, cut costs, and scale faster. This is why AI consulting is one of the highest-paid AI skills in 2025, with top consultants earning over $200,000 per year. Companies don't just need AI engineers, they need strategists who can align AI solutions with business goals. If you understand how AI can be applied across different industries, you can become an invaluable asset in the corporate world. Why is AI consulting so valuable? Many businesses want to use AI but don't know where to start. AI consultants identify business challenges and recommend AI-driven solutions to increase productivity, automate workflows, and enhance decision-making. From automating customer service with AI chatbots to using AI analytics for marketing optimization, consultants guide businesses in leveraging AI for growth. The demand for AI consultants is booming in industries such as e-commerce, healthcare, logistics, real estate, and digital marketing. If you have the skills to help companies adopt AI strategically, you can build a highly profitable consulting business or land a high-paying corporate position. If you want to get started in AI consulting, focus on learning AI-powered business automation, AI analytics, and AI-driven decision-making. Gain expertise in AI tools like ChatGPT for customer service, Jasper AI for marketing, and AI analytics software like Tableau. Develop problem-solving skills to help businesses implement AI solutions efficiently. Networking is also key. Connect with startups, entrepreneurs, and enterprises looking to integrate AI into their operations. Whether you want to become a freelance AI consultant, start your own AI agency, or work with Fortune 500 companies, this skill will put you at the forefront of the AI revolution in 2025. AI is the gold rush of our time, and those who learn these skills will be at the forefront of innovation. These 7 AI skills have the potential to make you rich in 2025, but the key is to take action now. Which AI skill are you most excited to learn? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI insights. See you in the next one.